about the healing aspects of massage. Acupuncture is another remedy that has origins from Eastern culture, most likely China. Sharpened bones and stones dating back to 6000 BCE are understood to be tools for acupuncture treatment, but could also be used for other things like surgical procedures or lancing abscesses. Documents that were recovered in the Ma Wangdu tomb in China, which was sealed in 198 BCE, does not show proof of acupuncture, but does refer to systems of the meridians. These speculations surround the tattoo marks seen on the Iceman, who died about 3300 BCE. His body was discovered after an alpine glacier melted. These tattoos might indicate that a form of stimulatory treatment similar to acupuncture developed in China. In 1368 to 1644, during the Ming Dynasty, the Great Compendium of Acupuncture and Moxibustion was published. This book forms the basis of modern acupuncture. It describes a full set of 365 points that represent openings to the channels through which needles could be inserted to modify the flow of qi or energy through the body. Techniques such as massage therapy have been making their way into hospital facilities. This is vastly due to the interest in complementary and alternative medicine. Hospitals are beginning to realize the importance of not just treating the disease, but the patients as well. And because of that, hospitals are adding massage therapists to their staff. The American Hospital Association found that consumers and healthcare providers are using massage therapy for pain management and relief from other ailments. Massage therapists are helping to heal not only patients, but the entire medical system by reminding them through touch there is compassion and stillness within all of us, and through that stillness, healing flows. Spending time in nature, as we know, is wonderful for the mind, body, and soul. Taking a walk in nature provides plenty of fresh air and exercise one needs in order to maintain good health. In Japan, a group of medical researchers and government-affiliated forest organizations have helped support forest therapy centers. These facilities consist of trails, guided walks, as well as free medical checkups. Since 1984, this group has been studying the health benefits of walking in the woods. Chiba University and Nippon Medical School in Japan studied the psychological changes in individuals who walked in nature on a regular basis. The results showed lower levels of salivary cortisol, also known as the stress hormone, reduction of adrenaline and noradrenaline, also known as the stress hormone, lower blood pressure and heart rate, increase of immunity boosting natural killers cell activity, and the number of natural killer cells and anti-cancer proteins known to combat cancer. These results are a huge factor as to why many healthcare professionals are encouraging their patients to get outside and into nature. Herbal supplements are another alternative to modern-day pharmaceutical drugs. The use of plants for medicinal purposes have been around for thousands of years. In 2012, nearly 18% of American adults said that they took herbal supplements or some other supplement other than vitamins and minerals. Depending on the type of ailment you have will determine what type of herbal supplement is best to, or tea is best to help treat or prevent the condition. For instance, someone with depression might consider taking St. John wort, whereas someone feeling a cold coming on will take echinacea. Herbal supplements can come in the form of pills as well as tea and even liquid drops. Just like pharmaceutical drugs, the doses can vary from person depending on the severity of the condition and the person's weight. Herbal supplements can also have different effects on people depending on whether or not they are taking other drugs or supplements. So just like anything else, it is best to talk to a professional when starting a new supplement. The long-term effects of any type of treatment, whether chemotherapy or a specific diet, has different results on different people. This statement is also true for nature therapy. Someone battling anxiety and could potentially feel immediate effects of doing yoga, whereas someone who decides to go on pharmaceutical medications could have to wait a few days or weeks before noticing a difference. A person who decides to use nature therapy as a treatment to their ailments must realize that pharmaceutical meds, you must practice your treatment on a regular basis to get the greatest results. The great part of nature therapy is that there are very minimal negative side effects. Someone who wants to ease their anxiety will most likely see a difference in their overall appearance after doing yoga on a regular basis. The same goes for someone who wants to lose weight naturally and starts taking nature walks. Not only will that person lose their weight, but they will also gain a sense of overall well-being. Nature therapy is also quite cost-effective. Many resources are right outside your front door. Going for a walk around your neighborhood or in a park is free. State parks can be found by going to www.nps.gov. That site will provide you with a plethora of beautiful parks and trails. Many yoga facilities have free yoga sessions outdoors during the warmer months, and during the colder months have discounted rates when classes are bought in monthly or yearly sessions. Massages are something that is not necessarily needed on a day-to-day basis, but rather every other week to receive the benefits of massage. Massages can range in price depending on the city you reside and the type of massage you are receiving. People who take antidepressants can spend up to $40 a month on their prescriptions. This price might not sound too high, but when you compare it to the cost of a high-quality folate or folic acid pill that helps treat depression, that is priced at $12 for 100 tablets, the prices are not comparable. Many pharmaceutical drugs are synthetic drugs made from natural substances. These natural substances are a lot more cost-effective and can save you money over a period of time. People who have decided to go against the modern-day medicine and treat their ailments with nature therapy have seen tremendous effects both mentally and physically. A study conducted by the University of Essex and published by the mental health organization Mind found that taking a walk in nature reduced depression scores in 71% of their participants. There is a considerable amount of research that supports the use of meditation for a variety of symptoms to include, but not limited to, anxiety, chronic pain, cancer, and asthma. The research also found that meditation contributes to the overall well-being of happiness of participants. Researcher David Davison did a study on brain scans during meditation. His research showed that the activity in the left prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain associated with positive emotions, exceeded activity in the right prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain associated with negative emotions. This goes to show that with quiet meditation, yoga, massage, or a walk in nature, mind and body are truly transformed. Through these therapies, healing can take place and a total body transformation can be obtained.